How to download and install the Bybit app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can download and install the Bybit app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The Bybit app over here means the application that you use. So first of all, make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection, and once you make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection, simply open up your Play Store. Here in the search bar, you want to simply search for Bybit, and then you'll find the first app here known as Bybit Bitcoin and Crypto. So all you have to do here is simply just hit the install button, and as soon as you hit the install button, you'll be able to install the Bybit application on your Android phone. So depending upon your phone, the installation process might take a while. But to give you an idea, this is how you can download and install the Bybit app on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.